Our easy-to-use mobile app lets you purchase laundry services with just your smartphone. On your mobile device, go to the App Store or Google Play. Search for and download the free LaundryConnect Pay app. And launch the app. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on in order to connect with the machine. Select Start. LaundryConnect Pay will automatically detect if you are in the laundry room. If no laundry room is detected, locate the room's SRC code located at the bottom left of the laundry room's wall-mounted sign and enter the code manually. Choose Register to create an account or sign in. Enter your email address and create a password that is a minimum of 6 characters. Your password must contain only letters and/or numbers. To receive a bonus equal to a free wash and dry, register your mobile device. Enter a valid mobile number, check the box, and press Send me the code. You will receive a code via SMS for verification. Enter the verification code and press Submit in the upper right corner of the screen. If you wish to skip this step, simply press Submit. If you registered your mobile device, your bonus funds will appear here. To add value to your account, select Refill My Account and select the amount you would like to add. If you have not already done so, enter your payment information and press Register Credit Card. All transactions are SSL encrypted and secure. Confirm the amount you selected to add to your account. When you're ready to do laundry, load your clothes into the machine and select your cycle. Enter the unique code found on the machine or scan the machine's QR code. The price will automatically adjust based on the cycle you selected. To start the machine, press OK in the app and then Start on the machine. For additional dryer time, rescan the QR code or enter the number of the dryer you are already using. And press OK to add more time.